Good day, everyone, and welcome to Obidient Family TV. The program is Hope Alive. Yes, there is hope, and a new Nigeria is certainly possible. And a good morning, afternoon, and evening, depending on your time zone. Again, we are here to have discussion, especially to get reports from the Obidient Family Cooperative Society, reports on what is happening, and the engagement of obedience across the 774 local government. Currently, we have structures for about 300 local governments, and we'll be expecting reports from the existing 60 local governments that are already registered with their state governments. With that, and also the breaking news that is coming out from Rivers State, wherein the camp of Governor Similaye Fubara has recorded a major victory as a state high court in Port Harcourt issued an order of interlocutory injunction prohibiting Martin Emewule and 24 other Pro-Wike lawmakers from presenting themselves as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Presided over by Justice C.N. Wale, the court also issued injunctions against Governor Fubara, the State Attorney General of Rivers State, and the Chief Judge of Rivers State. They are prohibited from engaging with or accepting any resolution, bills, or actions from Emewule and the other 24 members. The ruling stems from a suit filed by the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Victor Okojumbo Sokari Goodboy, and the Orobian Adolphus Timothy. Justice Wale restrained Emewule and the others from conducting legislative functions either in the House of Assembly or elsewhere. He furthermore he declared the seats of Emewule and 24 others vacant until the substantive suit is heard and determined. The case was adjourned till July 1st, 2024 for a motion hearing. Of course, that is what is breaking right now. I think that is the first anniversary present that Fubara had for Chief Bola Tinubu. That is what we are seeing happening in Port Harcourt today. Now, with me to share all of these discussions, I have reports of Obidient Family Cooperative Society or the local government. We have our people on Zoom, and we'll be expecting calls from those who are unable to join via Zoom. Let's start with our notable elder statesman, or Elder Obode in the UK, who wishes to put his mouth and chook his mouth, yes, well. Say wetin dey happen for that River State, as he tell me, he talk say na another thing where they play out for Kanu State. Now he talk saying don't they play out for there, because as these people don't go court now, get their own order for state high court. Now federal high court, the other people, maybe we can their own go get their own. Because this very thing where would they see, both the one happening in Kanu State and the one happening in River State are purely political, and it's happening between state actors and federal actors. So Elder Obode, welcome to the show. Let's start with you. What are your thoughts as you tell me? Say make I speak small pidgin, put inside, so that before you go speak your British English. So Elder Obode, welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you very much, and good evening, everybody. It's just baffling. It's just baffling. I cannot understand why somebody who is ex-governor is trying to control River State, whereas there's a state governor in place. I begin to wonder. This is the problem we have in Nigeria, because this godfatherism keeps generating keeps rearing its head all over the place. Why is Fubara, why is Wike, who is a minister in the Federal Capital Territory, why does he want to control what is happening in River State? Whereas the people of River State, they've elected a governor who should be responsible for all actions in River State. Does he want to does he want to become the first governor and have an assistant governor in River State, and also controlling federal capital territory. Well, he served his term, and that is it. He doesn't have anything to do with River State anymore. I don't even know why, because he has no function in River State anymore. He is a citizen of River State, and that's about it. And all these people who keep supporting him because he's given them a little bit of money and a little bit of money there, or he's given us. There was this guy the other day who was supporting him and saying, "Oh, this young man, they are wrongfully, accusing him of this or that." And during that discussion on Arise Television, we found out that this man, who has been supporting him, gained a piece of land from Mr. Wike. So these people, they should. I think we have to end this godfatherism. We have to make sure that once, according to the Constitution, once a governor elected by the people, not given the office, like we see in the presidential election in 2023, where some Chief Tinubu was given where our Excellency
Peter Elder Statesman, I want to come in very quickly, please, not to cut you off. This like I said earlier, the issue of defection and declaration of seat vacant in Rivers State is political and not the other way around. Rivers State, the court pronouncement is not necessary in vacation of seats of a defecting lawmaker in Nigeria. Section 109, subsection 1G of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, that is the Constitution, is very, very clear on that. It's talking about a member of a House of Assembly shall vacate his seat in the House if he being a person whose election to the House of Assembly was sponsored by a political party, he becomes a member of any political party of the period for which that House was elected. That's because you mentioned the Constitution. Now, that very section, 109 subsection 2, says, the Speaker of the House of Assembly shall give effect to subsection 1 of this section. So, however that speaker or a member shall first present evidence satisfactory to the House that any of the provisions of that subsection has become applicable in the respect of the member. So, what I am bringing to why I said that this is a political politics that is happening there is that the Constitution is very clear. It's not even about the court declaring their seats vacant. Rather, the Constitution says it otherwise. That the Speaker of the House of Assembly shall give effect to subsection 1. And that subsection 1 is talking about the vacation of seats. So it is the Speaker who should declare those seats vacant and not really this thing. So I can't see anywhere in the Constitution where the court has any role to play before the seats of defecting lawmakers could or would become